Welcome to this episode of Island by Film. My name is Wes. Today we're going to be looking at some of the photographs that I took while visiting Europe this past September. This is kind of the trip of a lifetime for us. And so, of course, I'm always excited when I get to travel and I get to take the opportunity to photograph new and exciting scenes, especially when it comes to street photography, which is what I think I'm most passionate about. Mostly what I feel like I'm drawn to are scenes with people in them, especially urban scenes with people. This trip was, like I said, very exciting for us to go on. We were gone for 16 days total. I packed fairly light in terms of photography gear, probably the lightest trip I've ever packed. And I think that has a lot to do with the Fuji X100V. This camera has been a camera that I have fallen in love with. It's small, light, definitely not pocketable by any means. I know I've heard some people use that language. You need a giant pocket to put this thing in. So, not necessarily a pocketable camera, but definitely a camera that you can just enjoy. So part of my daily process has been to, carry the camera throughout the day, take photographs as I see interesting subjects and scenes. And then in the evening, my wife and I will sit together, we'll have dinner, and after dinner, we'll generally go back to our hotel or room, wherever we're staying. And then we'll kind of go through the photographs we've taken throughout the day and pick the ones that we like and share kind of a daily recap on Instagram. And, I very much enjoyed that process. That's something we've done for many years, actually. I mean, I've been shooting for quite a few years, and every time we've gone on a trip, this is something that's kind of a bit of a ritual for us. Let's just go through some of the photographs. I'll show you some of the footage that I took while I was there as well too, and I hope you enjoy this episode. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching this video, and I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the photographs, and I hope you enjoy some of the scenes that I photographed while visiting Europe here this past September. Thanks for making this far in the video. I really appreciate you taking the time to look at the images. Hope you enjoyed them. You know, there is a vast difference in the experience that happens from when you look at them on Instagram or you look at them on a screen, and then actually helping them come to life using a print. I'm definitely passionate about the printed medium for sure. I've done printing in the darkroom, obviously printed at local labs and that kind of thing. So I'm excited about exploring that in the future more and more. But you know, one of the things that I like to do when I travel on a trip is I like to put these small mini books together that are just a collection of some of my favorite 4x6 prints from the trip. As you can see, there's a, I don't know if you can notice that there, focus in on that. You can see right here that there's just a collection of some of the images that you saw on this video. And so these are really inexpensive to print locally. We have a store called London Drugs, and they call it a mini booklet is what they call it. And I think these are like, you know, with the nice kind of black hardcover there. And I put kind of a label on the top there, just reminding myself what the trip was and the year we traveled. They actually put these together for about 13 bucks. So that's not a bad deal, really. So I feel like it's a way to bring to life some of the photographs rather than just leaving them in digital form. Feel free to leave some comments below. I really love interacting with you guys, and I really appreciate you coming and taking the time to watch this video. Thanks so much.